In this video, very quickly, we're going to brief you about one of the most innovative and one of the most unique program for the very first time in India, that is MRCP with MBA 2+2 program. So we've already done a couple of webinars last month in regard to this program as well as on PLAB Pathway. It's available to view on www.gocampusuk.com. Now, if there are many doctors who are watching this video now but who haven't watched the webinar before and who are not aware about what is this 2+2 program all about, I'm just giving a small brief about this. So what is the Indo-UK PG training program, that is the MRCP 2+2 program, and how different or how unique it is? So the BTAs, that is the BAPIO Training Academy's Indo-UK PG training program, has been developed in partnership with University of South Wales, Health Education England Global Engagement, the Royal College of Physicians of Edinburgh, and reputed Indian hospitals. This program provides a great opportunity for doctors to receive high-quality training in general medicine by Indian and UK faculty and help both the countries. Year 1 and 2, you'll be trained in India for your MRCP Part 1 as well as for your MBA, and you'll be building your required core competencies. So doctors who successfully meet the eligibility criteria will be posted in UK for year 3 and 4. So you'll be working on MRCP Part 2 and PACES once you're posted in the UK. So this is about the program. So now I said this program is organized by BAPIO Training Academy in collaboration with Health Education England, University of South Wales, and Royal College of Physicians, Edinburgh. So I'm sure all the doctors who are in United Kingdom know what is BAPIO and know what BAPIO stands for and know the values and ethics the BAPIO works on. Now, this is for a lot of doctors who aren't aware about BAPIO, a small brief about it. So, BAPIO Training Academy is one of the important pillars of BAPIO to promote professional and clinical excellence. BAPIO stands for British Association of Physicians of Indian Origin. Since its conception in 1996, with the initial aim of supporting international medical graduates, BAPIO has grown in stature and influence to become one of the largest organizations of its type in the country. BAPIO has a number of roles including education, discussion forums, supporting physicians in difficulty, networking, charitable work, and involvement in a few judicial matters for the benefit of international doctors. So now, as you all know what is the program about and the leadership team behind this program, let's move on to the queries. So the first query which we get to see mostly by emails and calls is MRCP recognized in India? Yes, MRCP UK is recognized by Medical Council of India. Now to make it a little easier for you, the notification is put across on your screens now. Request you to please have a look. And the next common query that many doctors do have is, what specialties can I compete for after MRCP? So MRCP UK, that is the 3 years IMT, once you complete it, you will be eligible to compete for your specialty exam or specialty training. So some of the specialties which you can take up after your MRCP is dermatology, acute medicine, endocrinology, gastro, geriatric medicine, infectious diseases, medical oncology, nephrology, neurology, palliative medicine, respiratory medicine, and rheumatology. And as many of you have, will I have academic sessions, or is it just like I'm going to work in India? So while you're there in India, you will be having practical and academic sessions. You definitely have academic training part of it. The UK faculty will visit India 4 times a year to make sure you're getting the best of training. Apart from that, on a regular basis, you will be having bedside teaching, and your MBA, you will be having online classes while you're there in India. So next common query that you all have is, what is the salary or stipend that I can expect in India and in UK? So while you're in India, depending on your experience and in which hospital you're getting your admission, the stipend varies between 55 to 75,000 per month. And when you're posted in UK, you will be getting salary at the IMT level trainee position. That's approximately around 39,000 pounds per annum, till it may go till 50,000 pounds per annum, depending on your experience and your competencies. So as many doctors ask us, what is the eligibility criteria for this program? Am I eligible, not eligible? Now you should have completed your MBBS and internship. So you should have completed your MBBS and internship, and you should have your Medical Council of India registration number. So if you have this, you're very much eligible. We are not looking for somebody who comes with 2 to 3 years of experience. Many doctors ask when they call us, they tell, no, I don't have experience. Is it okay? Can I start the program? Yes, if you're committed towards the program, you can certainly take it up after you complete your internship. What is the selection or the interview process? You shall be assessed by the panel members both from the UK and India. So there shall be 3 sessions of 10 minutes each in different meeting rooms. Interviews will be online. The first meeting room is a CV, or you can say your awards, your achievements, your MBBS credentials. It's all about yourself. The next meeting room is your clinical skills and your communication skills. And the next meeting room is your ethics. So you will be assessed on the following criteria. So the next query that you'll have is, when does the session start? As of now, interviews are going on for September 2020 batch. There are hardly few seats left. So if you are interested in this program, do not delay. You can apply right now to go forward with the interview process. And I guess many doctors do have this query, where will I be posted? Now, it depends on which hospital do we have vacancy. As of now, we have seats available in Maharashtra, that is Nagpur, and Delhi and Gurgaon. So the next question that you all have is, what is the tuition fees for the course? The tuition fees for the complete course is 26 lakh. It can also be paid in 2 installments. So now the doubt that many of you all have, or we get calls, I am interested in the program. How should I go forward? So you can see your screens now. We've put across the process. First is apply. The application fee is rupees 2,500. Send your detailed CV, MBBS completion certificate, internship completion certificate, and your MCI and state registration details. Next, shortlisted for the interview. Once you're shortlisted for the interview, you will get interview confirmation email. Once you get an interview confirmation email, to sit for the interview, you have an interview deposit fees. The interview deposit fees is rupees 25,000. If selected, this is adjusted towards your first year fees. If you're not selected, the fee is refunded back to you. If you get selected and if you do not accept the offer, it is a penalty. So basically, this is to make sure only candidates who are serious and committed to this program attend the interview. So once you're through with the interview, your selection status will be communicated to you, after which you'll be receiving your joining letter. Now the very tough question what doctors have. There are so many pathways, multiple options, which one fits me the best, or which one should I take to make sure that I have a smooth transition. Now, as doctors can see multiple pathways on our website, we do guide doctors for PLAB pathways starting from IELTS training till the job happens in UK. And we also assist doctors for the MRCP IMT in Delhi and Kerala. And now this is one of the most unique and very innovative program, that is the MRCP with MBA 2+2 program. So as you can see, multiple options. We do more than students, I guess. We have a lot of parents talking to us and understanding, please let me know what are the pros and cons of each pathway, which one is best for my child, or which one fits the best. So we understand it is the most important and difficult decision of your life. And so we completely understand it's a little confusing, and hence we are there to assist you and suggest you what are the best pathways. I sincerely thank all the parents, doctors for having trust in us. We've always maintained an unbiased opinion on all the courses we promote. We do work along with you by considering all the pros and cons of each program and suggest the best path that fits your need and requirements. For further details, please contact us on the number shown on your screens now. And suppose if you want to go ahead and apply, the application link for the MRCP 2+2 program is given in the description below. So once we receive your application, the concerned counselor will call you, will talk to you in detail about it. So if you don't want to miss this opportunity, apply now. Thank you so much.